Let's do sun salutation for beginners. Before starting, let us express gratitude to the sun god. Breathe in. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in, hands up, arch back, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out, bend forward, palms beside the feet, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, right leg back and push the waist forward, Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, left leg back, lift the waist up, shoulders press it towards the knees, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, drop the knees, table pose. Breathe out, child pose. Breathe in, table pose. Breathe out, drop the chest between palms, waist lifted, Ashtangasana. Breathe in, raise the chest, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, waist up, shoulders pressed towards the knees, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, right foot forward, push the waist forward, Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, left foot forward, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, straighten up, hands up, arch back. Breathe out, hands down. Breathe in, hands up, arch back. Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, table pose. Breathe out, child pose. Breathe in, table pose. Breathe out, Ashtangasana. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out, hands down.